Oh no, I forgot my ABCs.
I forgot my ABCs. Now words look like funny scribbles to me. I need to remember my alphabet. My dear alphabets, can you help remind me the letters, please? Let's start the mission! A is for apple. Say A with me.
B is for ball. Can you say B?
C is for cat.
Meow.
Ooh. D is for dog. Say D. E is for egg. F is for fish. G is for goat.
Mom.
H is for house. That's a cozy house.
I is for ice cream.
J is for jelly.
K is for kite. L is for lamp.
M is for monkey. N is for nest.
O is for orange. Juicy sparkle effect.
P is for penguin.
Funny walking sound.
Q is for queen. R is for rainbow.
S is for snake.
T is for train.
U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for we. Watch.
X is for xylophone.
Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Let's say ABC together.
Yay! I remember my ABCs. Thank you. Say ABC every day. Like and subscribe for more fun.